नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is hypertensive heart diseases. Hypertensive heart diseases or hypertensive cardiomyopathy is the disease of the heart resulting from systemic hypertension of prolonged duration and manifesting by left ventricular hypertrophy. Even mild hypertension, blood pressure higher than 140 to 90 millimeter mm of Hg of sufficient duration may induce hypertensive heart disease. It is the second most common form of heart diseases after ischemic heart disease. As already pointed out, hypertension predisposed to atherosclerosis. Therefore, most patients of hypertensive heart diseases have advanced coronary atherosclerosis and may develop progressive ischemic heart disease. Amongst the cause of death in hypertensive patients, cardiac decompensation leading to chronic heart failure accounts for about one third of the patients. Other causes of death are ischemic heart disease, cerebrovascular stroke, renal failure following it, arteriolar nephrosclerosis, dissecting aneurysm of the aorta, and sudden cardiac death. Pathogenesis of left ventricular hypertrophy, which is most commonly caused by systemic hypertension, is described here. Stimulus to left ventricular hypertrophy is pressure overload in systemic hypertension. Both genetic and hemodynamic factors contribute to LVH. The stress of pressure on the ventricular wall cause increased production of myofilaments, myofibrils, other cell organelles, and nuclear enlargement. Since the adult myocardial fibers do not divide, the fibers are hypertrophied. However, the sarcomere may divide to increase the cell width. Left ventricular hypertrophy can be diagnosed by ECG. Aggressive control of hypertension can regress the left ventricular mass, but which antihypertensive agents would do this in addition to their role in controlling blood pressure is not clearly unknown. Abnormalities of diastolic function in hypertension are more common in hypertension and is present in about one third of patients with normal systolic functions. Morphological features. Grossly, the most significant finding in marked hypertrophy of the heart, chiefly of the left ventricle, the weight of the heart increases to 500 grams or more, normal weight about 300 grams. The thickness of the left ventricular wall increased from its normal 13 to 15 mm up to 20 mm or more. The papillary muscles and trabeculae corneae are rounded and prominent. Initially, there is concentric hypertrophy of the left ventricle without dilatation, but when decompensation and cardiac failure supervene, there is eccentric hypertrophy with dilatation, with thinning of the ventricular valve, and there may be dilatation and hypertrophy of right heart as well. Microscopically, the features are not as prominent as gross appearance. The changes include enlargement and degeneration of myocardial fibers with focal areas of myocardial fibrosis. In advanced cases, there may be myocardial edema and foci of necrosis in myocardium. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoy this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.